Hello. We're going to do a search in the PubMed database because some of you might have questions for your systematic review in which you'll have to search in the PubMed database. It does very similar things to the other ones, but of course it does them in a very unique way. So first of all, I'm looking at the PubMed database basic page. I'm going to click on the word advanced to do an advanced search. And the reason I'm doing that is under the resources, under advanced search, you'll see there's something called MESH database. That's for what's called the MESH subject headings, the medical subject headings, and that's the subject terms that this database uses. So I'm going to pretend my search is about deaf people and cochlear implants. So I'm going to go and first of all see what kind of word might be used in the MESH database, in the subject database here in PubMed. And I noticed that deafness is a general term that they use, but it says it's for the complete loss of hearing. And they also have a subject heading, a MESH subject heading called persons with hearing impairments. So I'll probably end up using both of those terms in my search. The other part of my search was for cochlear implants. So I'm just going to type in the word cochlear. Oh, I think I'll spell it better. And I noticed that it comes up with a list of different terms like diseases and nerves, but cochlear implantation seems to be the approved MESH subject term. So I'm going to use both of those when I can create my search. So now I'm going to go back to the advanced search page and I'm going to build my search. And this is how I do it in PubMed. So I'm going to put in one of my terms is deafness. And I'm going to use the word or, partially hearing impaired, since those seem to be near synonyms. And I'm going to say instead of in all fields, I'm going to search just in the MESH term field because I did find those as bona fide subject terms. My other term was cochlear implantation. And I'm going to also search that in the MESH term field because it is a subject term. So I'll go ahead and search and see what happens. You can see right here I have 1,337 different articles that came up, but I want to show you how the filters in this database are unique. So we're going to look over to the left-hand side, and you'll notice that there are various filters that show up, and I can also add additional filters if I want. What I think I'll do is I'm going to limit, because my study arbitrarily is going to be cut off in the last 10 years. I'm going to say I only want human subjects and I only want the English language. So those, I preset those, but you can go back in and you can set whatever you want. If you just wanted it done on males or females, whatever subject terms make sense for your topic, those are the ones that you would choose. Thanks.